Today we are going to consider the next article, common collector connection in transistor. So in common collector connection transistor, we have to consider the circuit diagram of this. So you have to observe this is a circuit diagram, and in this circuit diagram you have to observe that input is applied between base and collector, while output is taken between the emitter and collector. Hence, collector of transistor is common to both input and output circuit, and hence its name is common collector connection. You have to observe in this figure. You have to observe in this figure there are two figures, one figure and it is second figure here. So here first figure shows common collector NPN transistor. Here you have to observe that this arrow indicates it is a NPN or PNP. Here upper arrow indicates it is NPN transistor, and here you have to observe in the circle this arrow indicates transistor in PNP circuit here. So we have to consider the current amplification factor here. For the current amplification factor, you have to observe here current amplification factor is equal to delta IE upon delta IB here. And what is the relation between amplification factor and alpha here? Here amplification factor is equal to delta IE upon delta IB. It is our equation number 1. So second, alpha is equal to here delta IC upon delta IE here. Now we have to consider IE is equal to IB plus IC. Then we have to consider delta IE is equal to delta IB plus delta IC. Then IB is equal to delta IE minus delta IC. Now substituting the value of delta IB in above equation, then amplification factor is equal to delta IE upon delta IE minus delta IC. Now dividing the numerical and denominator factor by IE, then we get. We have to consider here current amplification factor is equal to delta IE divided by delta IE. Here delta IE and delta IE it should be cancelled and it becomes 1 here. It is divided by delta IE upon delta IE, that should be cancelled here. So it becomes as number 1 here, minus delta IC upon delta IE, but alpha is equal to delta IC divided by delta IE. So you have to substitute this value in above equation, then current amplification factor it becomes as 1 divided by 1 minus alpha. So we have to consider comparison of transistor connection here. For the comparison of transistor connection, we have to consider that what are the characteristics here. For the characteristics, we have to consider for common base, common emitter and common collector here. So for these input resistance, for the input resistance common for the common base it is low, and for input resistance for common emitter is low about 750 ohm, and third common collector very high, it is about 750 kilo ohm. The second, we have to consider the output resistance. it is very high, is about 450 kilo ohm, high about 45 kilo ohm, and for common collector it is low about 50 ohm. What about the voltage gain? For the common base it is about 150, for common emitter it is about 500, and for the common collector it is less than 1. Let we have to consider what are the applications. Applications for common base, for high frequency application, and it is for common emitter audio frequency application, and for common collector it is impedance matching. Let we have to consider what are the applications of these. The common collector circuit has very high input resistance and it is about 750 kilo ohm, and very low output resistance, it is about 25 ohm. Due to this reason, the voltage gain provided by this circuit is less than 1. Therefore, this circuit arrangement is used to amplification. However, due to relatively high input resistance and low output resistance, this circuit is primarily used for impedance matching. What is impedance matching? That is for dividing a low impedance load for a high impedance source. So let we have to consider what are the common used transistor connection. Out of the 3 transistor connection, the common emitter circuit is the most efficient. It is used in about 90 to 95% of all transistor application. The main reason of this, it is used for the circuit arrangement are. So let we have to consider what are the main reasons. First is high current gain. In common emitter connection, IC is about output current and IB is about the input current. In this circuit arrangement, collector current is given by IC is equal to beta plus IB plus I suffix CEO. As the value of beta is very large, therefore the output current IC is much more than the input current IB. Hence the current gain is CE arrangement is very high. It may range from 20 to 500. Let we have to consider the second one, high voltage and power gain. Due to high current gain, the common emitter circuit has the highest voltage and power gain of 3 transistor connection. This is the major reason for using the transistor in circuit arrangement. Last, we have to consider the third one, that is moderate output to input impedance ratio. In a common emitter circuit, the ratio of output impedance to input impedance is small and it is about 50. This makes the circuit arrangement an ideal one of coupling between various transistor stages. That means there are number of transistor stages. However, in other connection, the ratio of output impedance to input impedance is very large and hence coupling becomes lightly ineffective or inefficient due to gross mismatching. That means it should be mismatching. So this is the application of common emitter. That means from that we can say that this transistor is used in circuit diagram. That means current amplification factor, it is the ratio of change in emitter current delta I to the change in base of current, that is delta IB, is current amplification factor. And these are the application of common collector. So thank you very much. So we have to consider what is the cutoff in the circuit diagram. The point where the load line of IB is equal to 0 curve is known as cutoff. That means you have to take the reading and plot the graph, and then after you have to find out where is the cutoff of this. At this point IB is equal to 0 and only small connection current, that is collector leakage current I suffix CEO, and it should be exist. At cutoff, the base emitter junction no longer remains forward biased and normal transistor action is lost. The collector emitter voltage is nearly equal to VCC, that is VCE, and it is cutoff is equal to VCC. And what about the saturation here? The saturation, the point where the load line of IB is equal to IB saturation curve is called saturation. At this point the base current is maximum. That means where is this saturation of this? The base current is maximum, and so the collector current. At saturation, collector base junction no longer remains reverse biased and normal transistor action is lost. So therefore IC, that means collector current, saturation, it is nearly equal to VCC upon RC. So that means from that we can find out the saturation of this. Thank you very much.